So it's great having a partnership with Forward Thinking Birmingham, because I suppose if we're looking at the model of mental health at the moment, we're kind of a preventative service. So we'll do a lot of preventative work to try and, I suppose, work with the symptoms of mental health at an early stage. But then we've also got the amazing work that Forward Thinking Birmingham can do to kind of capture the more complex mental health difficulties. And we can have that open and honest conversation with them if we need to put a referral up to meet that need.
So in this workshop we have been learning about how you should keep trying, resilience, determination.
Just to let us know about what we could possibly face in the future, basically, or what our friends could, family, relative, close, just like people that could face it in the future that we know, and we can maybe have a hand to help them or tell them what to do at least.
I've learned in this workshop that mental health is a very important thing, and it's a detailed thing that's just mainly overlooked and very complicated, that you need to actually learn in detail to actually understand it.
I think it's important that we talk about it, because what we don't realize is that our mental health can decrease and we could feel bad about ourselves. So talking about it is really an important topic to be talking about. That's why covering it is a really good choice.
Nowadays, the new generations, they don't feel like speaking that much, but these workshops can actually help and motivate them to actually speak up more, rather than keeping it to themselves and just filling up the bucket even more every time.
I think it's important that we talk about mental health, because if you don't talk about your mental health, how would you know how to keep it safe, how to have a good mental health towards you? And you should talk to other people about it if you're having any worries.
It's important to talk about mental health, because maybe you really wouldn't know from looking at a person if they're going through some troubles, or you wouldn't really know if they're sad or depressed, because it's good to talk about it. I do think it's a good thing that most students are going to have a workshop, because then they actually get to learn about it in detail, as it's a very important thing.
It's so important that more schools are getting mental health support, because again we can step in with the preventative work. It's capturing the symptoms really early on, and children spend a lot of the time in school. It's a lot of time where they build up their social skills, but also a time where they feel quite vulnerable in terms of exam stress or fall out with friends. And it's a place where we can have that kind of one-to-one chat with children. And again, prevented to get to services such as Forward Thinking Birmingham or external services, and we can capture them symptoms quite early on.
I think with Forward Thinking Birmingham is a really important part of our partnership and where we all work together, because as I said, we make referrals, as Chelsea said, into if there's more complex cases. So to have that partnership and with Forward Thinking Birmingham, and to be for us to be able to have that extra added support really for the children, as Chelsea said, through the journey for them, is extremely important for us to be able to speak to somebody else on the other side of things, and then also all working together to the best for the children.